Okay, today's recipe is peanut butter coffee. It's just delicious and a lot of health benefits. So let's start right away. What are the benefits? Okay, so what are the benefits of my peanut butter coffee recipe? It is great for healthy weight because it has protein and healthy fats. It is full of plant-based protein with peanut butter, not like the cancer-causing animal protein which we call meat. It will keep you full for longer and balance your sugar. Very important because of protein and healthy fats. So let's start. Okay, so here I have taken where I'm going to make my coffee, and I'm just about to pour a little bit of almond milk. Okay, this is just regular plain vanilla almond milk, and we're going to keep it on low. So don't pour the whole glass worth of milk right now, and we're going to add our organic creamy peanut butter. Make sure it is creamy because it mixes much better than the crunchy one. Okay, so here's my spoonful, and I use this in the morning time, so I love this recipe. Break it up a little bit and keep your stove on low, very low. Okay, you don't want it to burn, you just want it to mix gently. Let me show you. There, you see how low it is? And just keep on mixing it because ultimately it will blend really beautifully and silky and smooth. Okay, so you see I'm mixing it here, and it's blending up really beautifully. It just looks very delicious, creamy, light brown, and this way we are getting warm fluids into our body in the morning, which is really great for digestion. Okay, so now we're going to add our nutmeg. Let's add right into the recipe, and this is as much as you want or as little as you want. I like a good amount of it because it really goes well in this recipe. So you see how much I'm adding. There, see how much I added. Just mix it, and notice we're still keeping it on low. Don't increase the gas anymore. It's not necessary for this recipe. See, our milk is coming to simmer. I'm going to close the stove, actually close it, and I'm going to add the remaining quantity, how much I want for my glass. Okay, adding some black pepper. Oh wow, it gives a big taste boost. I don't know how to describe it, like a depth of flavor. Okay, so it's always good to have spices like nutmeg and black pepper, and wherever you can squeeze them. Okay, now we're going to add my favorite Central Market Organic Instant Coffee. I just use this product. I'm not affiliated with the company, but I absolutely advise you to use only organic coffee. Don't make such a healthy recipe with plant-based milk. Coffee is one of those things that has a lot of pesticides, so go for organic brand. It's the difference between sky and earth, okay? So you will definitely love the taste of this. And now just keep on blending. We are close to stove. We are close to stove. We're just mixing everything now together. And coffee has blended very well, beautifully. Nutmeg, black pepper, peanut butter. It's looking really good. And you can see how I'm showing it to you, how my peanut butter has completely smoothed out and just become so silky and blended completely. There's no leftover of it, So, and I keep my peanut butter outside because it's winter these days. So okay, so here is your recipe. It is done. It's ready. Enjoy it in the morning with the sunshine outside in the garden, and let me know how you liked it. For exclusive content, recipes, coaching, and health articles, please make sure you check out the beautiful website, thegardenrecipe.com. You can contact me from there and let me know how you like it. All right, here.